Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a advanced PDF editor that I developed in Next.js. Uh, it's a static website tool, single page application which works entirely in the browser. No server side code is required for this, and it's really fast PDF editor. And you can see I'm running it on locally, localhost 3000, and it's a PDF editor. So here you need to simply select your PDF document that you are working with. You can open. So let me select a sample PDF document that you want to edit here. So as you select the PDF document, you will see that a PDF document will be rendered right here, and you will see this is the first page. You can navigate to the second page as well. So if you want to make changes right here, so I made these controls out there, which you can add text, you can add images as well. So there are buttons available. So once you click the add text button, so you can navigate to any location in the PDF, and you can just click on this. So as soon as you click, you will see this notification appearing here. You can enter the text here and then click OK. So you will see the text will be added in the PDF document at that location, and same goes with the image as well. So click the image button, and at any location, if you want to, let's suppose I go to the next page and then I at this location I click it, and this file picker will open. So here, as I select this JPG file here, you will see the image is added. So after you just modify the PDF, there is a download button here, and if you want to click this button, just click this button and you will see the PDF file is downloaded. And if you open this, you will see the changes are reflected back. This is the text here, this is the image. So it's a single page application developed in Next.js, and you can purchase this source code. The link is given in the description, and after you purchase it, you will be automatically be redirected to Google Drive. Here you get this zip file here, and after you extract the zip file, you will get this directory structure. So you can just see in the components folder, each component is coded inside TypeScript. And if I show you the package.json file here, so we are using the latest version of Next, which is 14, and we are using Tailwind CSS for the user interface, and we are using this open source package PDF-LIB, which is a PDF generation library. So you can just see here, if you just type PDF-LIB in Google, you will see this is an open source package for manipulating PDF documents. So if you want to try the live demo link, I have also deployed this on my website as well, freemediatools.com. So on the checkout page, you will see this demo link here. So you can even try this. So just select your file right here. So, and repeat the process here. So you will see this is actually the tool right here. So simply click this and you will be redirected to this tool here. So there is also the second functionality, which is the merge option as well. So you can even merge multiple documents if you have into a single one. So there is a second section. So here you need to select multiple PDF. So if I select these two files, so you can see it actually merged both these documents into a single one. So you can see the pages, and then you can simply click the download button. So it will merge both these documents into a single one. So the output file is downloaded. So you can see that. So it also does the merging functionality as well, alongside with the editing one to add text and images. So you can try this tool on my website before purchasing it. So if you do like it, then you can see that. So you can go to the second page, and here if you want to add images, just simply click go to the location where you need to add this, and then click on that location using the mouse. As soon as you click it, you will see this file picker opened automatically, and then here you can select the image. So it will be added at that exact location. So you can control the zoom level as well by using the slider as well. So you can see that. So this is actually the Next.js source code you will get. You can even modify the source code as well and add additional features on top of this as well. So you can see that it's very easy to read. If you are a developer, you will understand. So you can see user interface. So the code is not minified. So code is written in a proper way so that you can understand the code and modify this as well. So to add additional features. And if you want to deploy this tool on your own domain name, it's very easy. Come to the terminal, and if you're running it for the very first time, you just need to say npm i. So this will actually install all the Node.js modules, and it will create this folder here on the left hand side. You do need to do this. After this, for running it locally, npm run dev. So this will start the development server if you want to run it locally. But if you want to deploy this, it's very simple. Npm run build command. So you just run the command. It will create a next folder, and you just need a simple VPS or a hosting which supports Next.js. It can't be deployed on a shared hosting, but you need a specialized hosting for Next.js. So you can easily deploy this tool as well. So I am using a VPS virtual private server for deploying this application. So it can't be deployed on a shared hosting. So after you deploy this, you can put advertisements as well to earn passive income as well. So let me show you some proof here. You can see I'm using AdSense and I'm earning some passive income daily from this tool. So, and also from ezoic.com as well, you can see that. So it's really easy. You build the tool, you deploy this, and you put advertisements. And the main thing is that it doesn't use any API. It doesn't have any kind of restriction. You can use it unlimited number of time because it runs in the browser. So as soon as you choose it, you have these two options available. So the tool is really fast as well. So you can try this tool on the website and then you can purchase it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.